Over here we have a hole that we made 4 inches round. We made it for the Lotus LED lights. The hole is already pre-cut. We cut it a few minutes ago with a 4-inch hole saw. We already pre-wired it, and up inside the hole is the cable. And we'll show you how to install the 4-inch Lotus LED light. I'm going to reach my hand in here and find this existing cable that we had up here. This is a BX cable. Here we have the junction box, which is also the power supply and the driver. This wiring compartment here, I already pre-knocked out the knockout so we can put the connector in there. On the other side is another connector if you need to use it. And over here is the cable which you attach the light. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push this cable through here, and we're going to attach to this connector here. We'll make sure it's nice and tight. Spin this lock nut here. So there's your cable, your BX or MC cable, depending where you're from, installed inside the driver / junction box. Now we'll take the ground wires and we'll attach them first. Pull on it, make sure the wire nuts are nice and tight and the wires don't come out. Then we'll take the white wire or the neutral wire, we'll do that second. We'll pull on that, make sure it's all in. So now you have the splices made up inside the junction box. We'll tuck these wires inside the junction box. Like that. And we'll simply close the junction box. Now, the Lotus LED light is designed to fit into 2 inches of clearance above the ceiling. So if you have 2 inches above this, you can install this light. This is the 4-inch model, requires 2 inches of clearance. The 6-inch model only requires 1.5 inches of clearance above the light, above the drywall, sorry. So here we go. We'll slide this up there inside the hole, like this. And we'll push it over to the side, just like that. We'll leave the tail sticking down. Now we'll take the panel light, the Lotus panel light, and we'll simply look for the little groove on this little connector here, line up the 2 little grooves, and plug it in. And we'll turn the lock nut here, and simply push the wire up there, push these springs back. These lights are also designed for wet locations and damp locations as well. And there you go. There's the installation of a 4-inch Lotus LED light.